So good day everyone. So this is my report, the Ziggurat of Ur. The Ziggurat of Ur is one of the most famous architectural structure from the early civilizations of Mesopotamia. It was built around 2100 BCE in the ancient city of Ur, which is now located in modern-day Iraq. The structure was ornamented to honor the moon god Nenya, seen the chief deity of city. The ziggurat is massive terraces pyramid made of mud bricks with several levels that rise high above the desert. Each level was smaller than one below, it giving structures its distinctive steep appearance. A grand staircase led to the top where temple once stood. This temple was believed to the place where priests offered prayers and sacrifices to the gods. The ziggurat of R is not only a symbol religious devotion but also the technological and architectural advancement of early Mesopotamia civilization. The purpose of the ziggurat of Ur was mainly religious. It was built as a temple dedicated to the moon god Nenya, seen the main deity of the city of Ur. People in ancient Mesopotamia believes that the ziggurat was a bridge between heaven and earth, where the gods could design and communicate with humans. The top of the ziggurat held a shrine where priests perform rituals, prayers, and offering to honors the god and seek blessing for the city. It also showed the power and devotion of the king and his people, symbolizing both faith and political strength in the civilization. And that's all. Thank you.